I tried Mutiny Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the Mutiny Wallet app, I wasn't sure what to expect. It's a relatively new Bitcoin wallet that runs entirely in your browser, no app store, no download. But after using it for 7 days straight, the shocking truth is that Mutiny might represent the next evolution of Bitcoin wallets, fast, private, and completely user-controlled. On day 1, I was surprised by how easy it was to set up. I just opened a web link, created my wallet, and instantly had access to my Bitcoin address. No email, no sign up, no nonsense. It's pure, permissionless Bitcoin. By day 2, I started testing payments through the Lightning Network. This is where Mutiny really shines. Payments were nearly instant, with incredibly low fees. Most people get this wrong. They think Lightning is too technical or unreliable, but Mutiny makes it feel as simple as sending a text. By day 4, I noticed something even more impressive. Mutiny doesn't rely on centralized servers. It's a progressive web app that works locally on your device. That means even if the main site goes down, your wallet still works. It's a powerful reminder of what true decentralization means. By day 6, I tested recovery and privacy options. The wallet uses encrypted backups and Tor integration for anonymity. It's built by developers who genuinely care about user freedom, not flashy marketing. By day 7, the shocking truth was obvious. Mutiny Wallet isn't just a cool experiment, it's a glimpse of the Bitcoin future. A world where anyone, anywhere, can access Bitcoin without gatekeepers, app stores, or corporate oversight. If you believe in Bitcoin's original mission of freedom and privacy, Mutiny Wallet is worth trying. It's lightweight, open, and incredibly forward-thinking. The real surprise, how something so simple could feel so revolutionary.